How to log into Binance account on mobile app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded Binance app on your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to this kind of page. Now click on the option of Login. Now from this page, you are able to get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in your email address. After you type in your email address, type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Login, and just for that you will be logged into your Binance account. So this is how you can easily log into your Binance account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.